Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, welcome back to my channel. And guess what? I miss everyone. I miss you guys. I haven't been able to get on, haven't been able to make any videos. I've been super duper busy with family, friends, shopping, house projects, and more house projects, but everything's coming together. So for that, I am thankful. Newsflash. I'm planning my next adventure. It's going to be in the UP. I'm going to be van camping and adventuring for 2 weeks in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, hopefully first thaw in the spring. And I know that's not maybe right around the corner, but it kind of is right around the corner. But you have to plan those kind of things. I do have a family and everything, so everything kind of has to work together. So I have to make sure everything goes swimmingly to make that adventure happen for myself. But anyhow, I just wanted to let you know that I have not forgotten about you, and I hope you haven't forgotten about me. As soon as I can, I'll be back on. We'll do another van camping adventure video together. But I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'll be on before New Year's, but just in case you're not on before New Year's, again, Happy New Year to you. But yeah, you guys have a fabulous holiday, Merry Christmas, and I will catch up with you all soon. All right, guys, have a good one. I'll catch you later. Until next time.